Hey everyone, in today's project I'm going to be rebuilding my back deck, actually just replacing the deck boards. These boards have been here for probably 26 years since the house was built. They're beyond repair for refinishing. A lot of the nails are sticking up, there's lots of damage, water damage, poorly installed with nails. I don't know why they do that or if they do that still, but I'm going to replace all these deck boards, so I'll probably leave the rails in place for now, and if I feel like replacing these, I'll do that later. Elaine's gonna be one of my main helpers. We're gonna get this done. What do you think? Replace all these boards? Can we do it?
Okay.
A lot of these boards were installed too close to each other. There's no gap, so I think there was some stuff would get stuck in there, and then it started to rot. I think these joists are all still okay. So once I get the deck boards off and examine it, I will be able to tell if I need to replace the joists. But do you think I will?
Yeah.
You think I will?
Maybe.
I don't think so. We'll see. They seem like they're in decent shape. Okay, I'm not a professional deck builder, but I've never seen anything like this before. These joists are not even attached to this header board. They're just sitting on a cleat. No, look. These joists, they're just nailed in from the back and resting on a header board. There's no joist hangers or anything. They're all cut about an inch short. What a hokey job. This is not good.
Oh, yes.
You hit the branch again.
Wide open. No.
Wanted to pick up the wood. Okay, we got the trailer. Had to take the back off because we got 16-foot boards. We're doing it anyway.
Oh, Dad, this has a crack. Right here.
Let's see.
Look at that crack.
Yeah, let's skip that one. Put it back. Now, Reese, you eyeball it.
Yeah, it looks pretty smooth.
Oh, yeah. That's a good one.
Okay.
Okay, put it in.
Oh.
Got 21 boards, 13 joists, 2 screws at each joist, so we need 2 boxes.
Shoreline?
Okay, you guys ready to move them all to the backyard now?
Yeah, but let's just put these inside. Dad, can you do 2 at a time? It's heavy. Ready? No, I'm not ready. Okay, ready now. Hi. No, it's okay. Reese, there's no more.
Good timing. We got them all.
Perfect time.
Hey, good job, guys. I'm just gonna cut all the boards in half so we can take it up a little easier. Gotta get these nails out. Got just a bunch of nails instead of screws. It's gonna take a while. We're getting them. We'll just keep doing this for a little while. Get all the boards pulled up. Don't fall through, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't fall through. Okay, that was bad. This is me removing deck boards. piece. That's good. You're gonna just keep going, huh? Real poorly installed. These joists are just nailed in, like butt nailed. So I'm gonna have to install this better. It just is barely hanging on. Let me see if I can give you a better look. Really not how a deck should be built. So I'm gonna try to do a better job. But I got these guys to help me, so we're all good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm practicing with soccer too.
Okay, let's see it. Nice kick. Bombs away. That's rotten.
Fine. First try!
You missed.
Here.
He missed. Didn't he miss?
Yeah, he did. He missed. How?
Okay,
If
you got.
he misses,
You got
I'll
one
film
more
him
chance.
again. Yeah, you got one more chance.
Missed. The last one underneath the siding. It's hard to pry up because it's tucked so tightly underneath the siding. But now I'm seeing that there's a lot of damage to the aluminum flashing. So I think I might get another piece of flashing and just put it on top here. 'Cause it goes up underneath. I don't know how far, but probably up a little ways. But the main thing is as the water comes down here or here, and if it goes back around, you want the water to channel out away from the house and not down back into the ledger board. Decided to take the joists down. I knocked them out on this end with a hammer. Then I just carefully leverage it out, and this end is pulling out nicely. Good. Putting up a little vinyl flashing just to reinforce the existing aluminum flashing that's gone bad. Hey buddy.
Hi.
We're just tacking it into place right now over the ledger board. I'm going to be hanging the joist hangers next, and I've got these for the 3 sides, 3 on each side, and then the longer 3-inch are the ones that go in the side here that toenail the board to the header. So I just use a piece of scrap joist that I cut off the end of one that's extra, and I use it to put it in place while I tap in the first nails. That way it's ready to go.
Rain. Heavy gloves.
Alright, so that's 2 up. Now we got to get the nail gun. Can you grab the nail gun? Okay, so you just kind of put it up about 1 inch from the end at an angle.
Right here?
Yeah, and then push it in, and then pull the trigger.
Wait, maybe I didn't push.
You got to push the tip in. Now. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Powerful.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay. That's 2.
Okay.
Yeah, just go for it. Very good. All right, go ahead. Hey, you can film over here now. What'd you say?
Way to go, Idaho.
Yeah. Just getting them smoothed out a little bit. Trying to do it gradual so there's not a drop down. It's almost there. A few more. Or a little high.
Looks good.
Thanks, babe. Yeah. I don't think you did.
I totally did.
Okay. All right. Here's my camera woman for the day.
You get what you paid for.
Yes. But these have to slide in under the rail here, so we have to slide them in one at a time. So I'm just getting them all in, then we'll space them out and nail them in, or screw them in. You want to try it?
It feels nice
Feels really nice.
because I haven't walked on this in a while.
We're gonna space them out and screw them down after I get them mostly dry fitted. We'll have a gap about 1/4 inch between each one. Yeah, just put 2 at each spot. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, so I've got some boards that aren't perfectly straight. So right here in the middle of the board, it's about a little bigger than 1/4 inch. But at the end, I've got it nicely spaced and down there, but the boards aren't straight. So I'm using a clamp to squeeze these 2 boards together. So as I twist it, you can see right there. They've come in a little closer, right where I want it. And just like that. So that's how I got the boards to be a little straighter. Thanks, bud.
Yeah!
Good job. We've been working on this maybe 20-30 minutes at a time, so we're gradually making progress.
Yeah.
How many boards do we have left to put in, boys?
2.
2 more boards.
Yeah.
So we got to mark where this one is going to mark up to this, because it's going to kind of go under that. So can you film for a second?
Yeah.
Film right here.
It's wrong way. Yeah.
See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark a little notch here and right here to mark where the joist or the little post is. Okay, I'm going to do that over here too. And I'm going to cut out a notch, small notch on these boards. So I got to notch these. And it's starting to rain, so maybe we should go just finish this another time. Yeah, starting to rain.
Yeah, I'm worried.
I'm gonna go inside. Let's finish it up when it's dry, okay? Okay, I'm down to the very last board, deck board going in, and I'm notching around these existing posts for the railing, and so I'm gonna have to notch out just a little bit so that it'll fit nicely underneath the existing post and around it. So I'm just gonna cut those out now. I'm gonna use just a jigsaw for that. get this in. A little tight. There it goes. There it is. That's in. Now I just gotta space it out and screw it down. Okay, it's done. The last board just got screwed down. Everything fits nicely. It's real stable to work on. Gotta get it cleaned up, pressure wash it, and maybe in a few weeks I'll stain it.
Oh yeah.
One last step I'm gonna do is sand off some of the markings that come on wood from the big box stores. So I'm just gonna use a sander. Okay, so that's the end of this deck build. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I don't know if you learned anything or not, but we had a good time as a family building it. Everything looks good. Thanks for watching.